Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we'll be taking a look at the Synology 4 NAS Drive Bay DS918 Plus. So there's 4 drives in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The preferred drives to use in here are Iron Wolf from Seagate, although you could pretty much use any NAS related drives. Inside the accessories box, you get a free trial to C2 backup. You get the power adapter, which is not too huge, that's great. Quick installation guide. Now we've used Synology devices before, they're excellent. They also run apps on there. Here's a Ethernet cable, power cable, some screws for additional hard drives in the other bays. This came with 2 for testing, and another Ethernet cable. That'll become apparent why they included 2 in just a moment. So that's the accessories box, and of course the Synology locking keys for the drives. There's a lot of offices, small and medium-sized businesses that rely on Synology because they have apps that run as well as storage and backup. So while we're scanning the side, this is an open vent here with their branding, Synology. And in the back, we'll turn it around. You have 2 Ethernet ports. If you scroll down a little bit, there we go, 2 Ethernet ports. And then you have an eSATA port and power port. And then on the right side, you have a USB port as well with 2 large fans, but they run quietly, which is nice. In the back around the front, we'll show you how the keys work. I mean, they're pretty self-explanatory, but we'll show you what just turn it, pull it up, and then it comes out. So it's a toolless design as far as that goes. And then here is the Seagate Iron Wolf NAS drive, and this is 4 terabytes, but you can put in much bigger drives if you want. And the disk station software that runs on here is full featured. We like it very much, and it's quite easy to use. You don't have to be super knowledgeable at NASs or the apps. It's all pretty self-explanatory, one button click. There's no real Unix commands that you have to give it or anything like that. So it's basically an all-in-one solution. Synology does update their disk management software every so often. You can even run beta software if this is not a production unit. So you've got 4 drive bays. They actually have a bigger unit that you can attach to it, so it connects even more drives if you need it. This is the Synology DS918 Plus, and it has a USB port on the front. This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter. Thanks.